This is called an adjustable channel lock plier. It costs about $13 US. There are different sizes. There are 4.5 inches, 6.5 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, 16 inches, and 20 inches and a quarter. This is a 9.5 inch plier. It's not too big. Okay, that thing. Whee! So it's not too big. This one weighs about almost a pound, 14.1 ounces, so anybody can use this one. Doesn't matter how strong you are. Let's talk about the parts. The handle, the fastener, the teeth, the grooves. I think this is called a head. I think this is called a mouth. Both of these, opening and closing. I think. Don't quote me on that. So how to use? It's really simple. Basically, just open it up to the desired length and slowly push down, and it should adjust. So that's all you gotta do. See how easy that is? Who can use this? Anybody, really. Plumbers, car electricians, car mechanics, electricians, HVAC people, people do metal fabrication, handyman, a mother, a father, a brother. Anybody can use this. It comes in handy. What else can this be used for? You can actually use this as a light hammer. It's made out of steel, so it's pretty sturdy and it has a big head. So if you don't have a hammer, this could come in handy. Who should own this? Like I said before, anybody. This should be in your toolbox no matter who you are, because it can come in handy in any situation. Like if you need to open a bottle cap, this can do it. If you need to open a can of sardines, this can do it. What else? If you need to smash open, I don't know, a lock, this can do it. Maybe. Not too sure about that, never tried it. But I say you should have this in your arsenal of tools. And that's pretty much for this video. Let me know if you like this kind of thing. Oh, one thing, I don't like this brand. I think Channel Lock is a brand who made this, and the reason why I don't like this is because of the grip. It's smooth, so it's hard to hold on to sometimes, and the grip is not that easy in your hand. So if you have a stuck pipe or something, it's really hard to use this particular brand to get it out. I think Irwin makes a better grip of this kind of plier, and I've used theirs. I don't have theirs, but I've used it, and it works much better than this particular one. Same style, same usage, just the grip is better on the Irwin. And I think that wraps up this video. Let me know if you like this video, if you want more of these. And I'll see you next time.